Hey folks, it's Richard from Bikepacking Adventures. I'm here on my very final day on the Isle of Tenerife. Just checked out my hotel, got my bike box stored in the baggage room to collect later. It is now 10 AM, going out for about a 72-kilometre ride. It's called the Rob's Day 2 Revised, so we're going to take that, see where it goes. It's just over 1,000 metres of climbing. We're going to get up to about 600 metres above sea level, and along the route I've kind of picked out somewhere as a point of interest, might stop at, and it's more or less halfway along the route. It is the Monument Natural del Roque de Jama, so we're going to see if there's an access road to the very top. If not, just get close as we can and yeah, see what's there. Today, looking around, it's a lot clearer. We left the hotel, could see all the way up to Mount Tidy. Yesterday, thick cloud and down onto the lower slopes. If you've not already watched that video, I'll drop a link down below somewhere or on the end screen if you want to go watch it back. Different route, went to Altenpos to the east of Gulf de Sur and Medina, and just heading around a bit of an anti-clockwise loop towards Las Cristiadas, and I may well extend the ride because today's checking out day, so all my stuff is in the baggage room at the moment, so likely to finish plenty of time. Woo, this is tough. See Mount Tidy, it's cleared up. So yeah, final day riding. Flight is leaves at 10:10 this evening. Go early hours of Monday morning. Drive home and then work from home in the afternoon. Life back to normal. So it looks like I'm turning right to go to Los Briagos. Taking a look at the Garmin for a moment. I should point out, but my Garmin while being here, so I put a zip tie across. Anyway, the realisation, this first climb, it's quite long. 21 kilometres, 761 metres worth of climbing. It's a lot more glorious day than it was yesterday, so it doesn't like I'm going to get rained on. It's going to be a while to get to the top of this. Nearly done 300. Got nearly 500 to go over the next 13 kilometres. Hopefully there are some more shaded bits out of the sun. It is warm. Warm enough for me anyway. I don't do too hot. In fact, I've already started thinking anyway about where I want to go next. As for the time of year, I'm thinking September, maybe even October. It's certainly warmer now than it has been the entire GranGuanche. The weather during GranGuanche was perfect. Never too hot, and only a little bit of rain, mostly mist. We're talking late teens, early 20s. And right now it is, have a look, shall we? Have a look together. So, apparently it's 17 degrees and raining. That cannot be right. It's probably showing the temperature back home, to be honest. And a bit of heat wave in the UK at the minute. To the T junction with Chiminios, and I've got left of Grandiliona Albano. So I've got about 250 metres to go with this climb. Steep bit coming up. It's past 460 metres. 6.5k to go. And it's stunning up here today. Lovely, peaceful. Hardly any wind. Hardly any traffic. I tell you, after this week my leg need a good old rest. The next big thing is not until a week on Saturday, doing a 300 kilometre Audax. Don't know if you can see the picture there in the Montana Rock. That's more or less where I started my ride this morning. Near the top. 33k to go. See if we can find a cafe. This looks like there's actually a road up to it, but I'm going left. Just follow this main road. And there it is, coming up. See this, although on a third way around. I think it's this one. Just trying to find a spot out the wind now so I can get that drone out. I see a trail with my name on it. I love it when a plan comes together. Someone said that once. Who was it? Almost back at sea level now, on the way to Palma. Would have recorded a bit of descent, but you have to keep your wits about you. Busy roads on the route in the second half. On the way down, Fucking hell. A surprise speed bump there. So I've reached Palmar. I'm just looking for a restaurant now. There's some beautiful views around here. It's really windy. As for the resort itself, it's ever so clean and tidy. Very cycle friendly as well. It's got 30km speed limit all the way through, which means you just sit right in the middle of the lane and forget about what's behind you. Okay, I haven't been to a restaurant yet, but I've just got a Power King energy drink and a giant sausage roll, so I'm going to sit here outside the supermarket, eat these, and then find a restaurant somewhere a little bit closer to where I started from. Oh, that's good. Again, I thought it was sausage roll, but it's not. It's like a choco pan kind of thing. I seem to have got a friend. Wonder why. Going off grid. Got less time to kill, so thought, what the hell, go off road a bit. Tell you where this place where I'm staying, there's too many one-way streets, so I'm just ignoring them. It's ridiculous. Tell you what is good though, the width. Nothing's getting past me. Well folks, hope you enjoyed watching me riding around Tenerife, showing you a few routes around here. Normal business will resume pretty soon. Next thing to look forward to on the channel for me is the Great British Escapade in June. That's 2 months away. Yeah, so anyway, yeah, little hint, Yorkshire Dales 300. I want to do that again. There's a new bike day coming up soon. Shh. Right, from here I go to Sir. I shall see you again soon. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give the video a thumbs up, and I'll see you again soon. Bye bye for now.